Okay, so let's get going on this blower motor resistor. We're going to be on the passenger side of the vehicle. We're going to open up the glove box. You press in on these two sides, and that's going to release these hooks. The glove compartment can come down. Obviously, if you have stuff in it, clean it out, but we're going to remove the electrical connectors. To do that, you press on this right here, and then you just pull this down. If it's stuck, you can use a pocket screwdriver and just try to help it out. There we are. Take a peek. Looks good. On to the next one. Looks good. Perfect. We'll set those aside. If you look right here, you have a Torx bit, okay? You need a T20. This is what your tool looks like. Little star. Put it in here. Remove that screw. There's one located on the other side of the resistor. We're going to do the same thing. Same as the first. Grab that resistor and pull it right out. So looking at the old resistor compared to the new resistor, you can see the old resistor has a lot of stuff on it. It's even risen up. This is like corrosion, probably from moisture being in there, and the potential reason why it went bad in the first place. We're going to replace it with a quality TRQ resistor. Slide it right into that box. Should fit right in. Beautiful. Grab our screws. We're only going to start it in, okay? Get one bolt started, start in the other one, and then you can snug them up. Make sure all your wires are clear. Snug it up. Give it a little wiggle. Beautiful. Grab your wiring, click it in, give it a tug. Other one. Click it in, give it a tug. Beautiful. Everything's still attached. Close your glove box, down the road you go. Okay, so we're going to take our key, put it in the on position. You don't need to start the vehicle, obviously. We're just going to test the blower motor. Just make sure it works on all speeds. Oh yeah, perfect.